made a chicken calzone. This is chicken, the breading. But it's kind of big for a calzone, so I call it a boxer. It's not crispy. I got Parmesan on the top. Inside I got ham, pepperoni, and mozzarella. I'm gonna cut it. Okay, that's what we got. It's not crispy. Maybe this like tiny little edge. It's soft, but it looks good. Let's try it. It's good. It's turkey ham, pepperoni, mozzarella, and turkey ham. Not crispy, but it's good. Needs a little dipping sauce. Maybe some of the sriracha mayo. Good. Okay, that was my dinner. It was delicious. It was really, really good. It's definitely doable. Again, very fast to prepare. I put it in for 30 minutes at 400 in the oven, Fahrenheit. It didn't look cooked, so I put in another 10 minutes. It still looked iffy to me. So then I put another 10 minutes, but in the broiler mode. And that I only did for like 5 minutes. I put 10, but it started to smell like it was burnt. So I checked it at 5. It was really good. I had turkey. I had cream cheese, turkey ham, a layer of pepperonis, and another turkey ham piece. Sealed it up. Put mozzarella in there too. Sealed it up, tacked the end of the chicken, and put some Parmesan on top into the oven. Really good. I hope to make it again and change the stuffing. Maybe some cream cheese with spinach and artichokes. But now it's time for cafecito. Provecho.